नमस्कार. आमगेले कोंकणी खान आणि जेवण चॅनलांतून तुमचे स्वागत. आम्ही आता 50 व्हिडिओज घालेले आसा चॅनल. ते सगळे तुम्ही छान सपोर्ट केलेले आमकां छान खुशी आसा. आणि आमचे व्हिडिओज सगळे तुम्ही आजा चड सपोर्ट दिवंक आम्ही विनंती करता. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि बेल आयकन प्रेस करून सबस्क्राइब कराय.
Takka Miryasaang or Chillies. How nice to bite into a crisp, spicy one. Just with some curd rice or an elaborate spread, you can always have a completely satisfying meal. And so why not make them at home when the sun shines? You need some fresh, large, spicy chilies and some soaked curds. Wash the chilies thoroughly and pierce them in 1 or 2 places. Take about 1 cup of water in an utensil. Add salt. When it is boiling, add the chilies and let boil until the chilies have become pale. Lay them out on a plate and keep under the hot sun. Retain the remaining liquid in a bowl. In the evening, add some curds to the bowl and then add the half-dried chilies. Mix well and let soak overnight. In the morning, remove the chilies onto the plate. And keep the bowl with the curds aside. Keep the plate under the hot sun. In the evening, drop them again into the curds and let soak overnight. Again, in the morning, transfer to the plate to keep under the sun. You may have to sun the chilies for 1 or more days until they become crisp. Then let cool and store in an airtight container. As and when required, deep fry them in oil and enjoy the spicy treat. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.